Cabo and I'll show you what they have for lunch. They have fish. Again, this side, onion, salted cauliflower, liquid. Soup of pisto. Vegetable with broth. We have a lot of salad. On this side, they have sandwiches. You can make sandwiches. Let's see, buffalo chicken, meatball, ham and cheese, Reuben, Cubano, hot dog, steak and cheese. A lot of sandwiches here. They make it how you want it. My lunch is salad, quiche, and 2 cakes. One for me, one for my mom. My mom's got more lunch. I had more coffee, so we're gonna enjoy it here. My mom find the ducky from Ted and Carla Smith in Panorama from Maryland. I find one ducky didn't have any names on it, but today we're gonna hide 3 duckies. I didn't write my name on it yet, but we're gonna hide them on the ship and I take you with me to see it. Like I said, today I'm gonna hide the duck, and one of the duck is gonna be hidden right over here in this corner. Let's see if somebody's gonna see it or not. Here's my ducky. Bye, ducky. Up here, we're gonna hide the duck up here. Oh, shit. We hide it, nobody ever gonna catch it, okay? Here. Looks like I was away at him. Let's see. Hey, the girls are gonna come here. Thing with it. Hey, wasn't here. Just 6, 3, 5, 2. Today, for some reason, we got lucky and there's nobody in the jacuzzi. Look. Here on the back, there is 2 jacuzzi, one left, one on the right, and the pool in the middle, and he's got a lifeguard on duty, which is good because the kids are in. Look at that. The kids are in, but nobody in the jacuzzi. Everybody's just relaxing here on the back of the ship. And that's what we're gonna do for now. And we're gonna go back and hide some more ducks afterward. But here you can come, they have life vests for the kids, they have a bar. If you want your drinks, you can bring the food from the buffet, which is right inside. So it's very cool. Or you can go up higher deck and walk around, or on that wire up there you can go with they're like kind of bicycles, and I will be so scared, but I'm gonna show you when people are coming with that. I'm never gonna do that, but I guess it's cool. You can see from up, but if you're scared of the heights, you cannot do that. So here they are. Usually they are like together. So there is 2 lanes where they are coming, and you can see them pedaling. Oh my God, it's even going fast on me. Wow. Would you go in that or no? But it's very cool. I'll be so scared. But they're enjoying, as you can see. They call SkyRide and it's free. Carnival Panorama, they have Havana Beach, where they have 2 jacuzzi and the pool just for the last balconies from the cruise. So if you have a balcony in the end, you can enjoy the 2 jacuzzi and the pool with this beautiful view of Cabo right now. Most of the people, they ask me about the prices. So let me tell you the prices. It's kind of windy here. I'm on the back of the ship. We are leaving soon, this beautiful Cabo San Lucas, but I'm gonna let you know about the prices. For the 2 people, a balcony, a regular balcony, is around $1,200. If you play in the casino, you might have discount, or if you are going in more cruises than one, you might have little deals, and it depends on the timing. Like if you want to go in the summer, it's probably 2,000 because everybody's coming with the kids and everybody the cruises go up, or when it's vacation or it's holidays, everything is going up on price. But usually if you book ahead of time, it's around $1,200. For the internet, they have packages. The cheapest one for 2 people, it's $244. The last tenders are coming out. Back to the ship here in Cabo. We're already back. And I'm gonna carry on telling you what else we spend the money on. Parking. If you are driving to Long Beach to take the cruise, you can park sometimes on the parking right on the terminal, and it's $26 per day. But sometimes they send you on the outside lot, and for that we pay for 6 nights, 6 days, $140. It's a shuttle. They take us back on the ship for free, but you have to pay for the parking. If you fly, you don't need that. The tips on board, it's $18 per person per day. That's for the cabin steward, for the restaurant waiters, for the cleaners, and everybody else. I don't know how they split them. To me, it's actually not enough because they are working non-stop and they probably don't get that much. This time we didn't get it because me and my mom, we don't need it. But the drinks are expensive. For like a pina colada, it's $16. So if you like to drink, it's probably a good deal. You cannot buy just for one person. You have to buy for everybody in the room. But again, when you come on the boat, you can have in your carry-on a bottle of champagne or the wine, 750 milliliters. And you also can have 12 cans of soda. So you can have Coke or Fanta or sparkling water, 12 cans, but the cans and the drinks and the wine have to be in the carry-on. If you put in your suitcases, they take it from you. So this is the prices if you are interested on. Here right in front of me was not the big well. Let's see if it's coming out. But look at the sunset also, it's so pretty. But I want that big well to come out again. Winner, 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 chicken dinner! Super big win! Woohoo! Do you like it? Winner, winner, winner! The worst food we ever had on the cruise is this chicken. I don't remember what's the name, but look at this. Let me show you the worst food in Carnival Panorama restaurant. It's chicken. No, it's not chicken. It's something. Fish potato was okay, but the food on Carnival, my last cruise was much better. Carnival Firenze, the food in the dining room was much better. This one was non-eatable. Carnival Panorama chicken is very, very bad. We couldn't eat it. We tried. No chicken, it's just something burnt. Carnival Firenze, the last cruise, in the dining room, the food was great. So Panorama dining room food, not that great. Good night, everybody.